I wanted to do hood rat stuff with my friends.
They don't want to stand. It's automatic manual stick. You ain't no question.
What's going on, everybody? Happy Wednesday. It is the day before my birthday, and we're on day 3 of my marathon. Today we're gonna go grab some lunch and touch base a little bit with what I was doing throughout the week, and see if this cold start is obnoxious. Not that bad. So yesterday I was working on a 92 Miata. It was supercharged, and my boy, he put a fuel pump in it, and there was a few things going on that led us to believe that something was going south. Fixed it, and my phone died, and I couldn't record or vlog anything because originally I wasn't gonna start doing this until Saturday because I wanted to have some good content, but the creativity it's just brewing right now, so we're just gonna start recording because why not? Monday was a slow day. We didn't do nothing crazy. We came home from work, we just relaxed. We started the marathon. Yesterday we worked on the Miata a little bit, drove it back to my boys, and then got caught in the most absurd traffic. R.I.P. Chris that waited on me for a half hour. Today, we're just doing an introductory, and we just want to get this stuff going. Got lunch.
Rather have a Chevy.
That's pretty much it for right now. I'm going to tune back in later on today or later on tonight, and we'll chat then. Alright guys, before we jump into Thursday, I just picked up my boy Joey. FC, straight killer. You know, he out here riding. Killing that shit. We're all out here trying to get that shit this year. Also gonna fix this mount eventually. Before we jump into Thursday, we're heading back to the house. We're gonna show you guys what actually happened with the Cummins and where that's gonna be standing, because there ain't gonna be any videos on that thing for a little while. So now that we're back at the house, the reason this thing is sitting. What are you doing, dude? Last time y'all saw it had just a block in it. He put the cylinder head from the old engine, and he did not know that it was an 01 block until he realized that the 99 ECU that's in it don't run with it. Just dropped Joey off. Got to get the Turborado some gas there. Should be grabbing, yeah, no. Here we got my 2009 4.8 liter Silverado with a chain chonger. We call her the Turborado. Air Max. Oh well. This is what we got going on. Ended up getting this truck on a good deal, so why not? Makes for a good daily. So yeah, now we're gonna go grab me a bite, and we're gonna give you a couple pulls. Close out the Wednesday, day 3. Bag is secured. Jeez, started spinning. All right, and that's gonna conclude today, because we got a couple days left of this marathon ahead of us, so tune in with you guys then. Morning. It's Thursday, day 4 of the marathon. Big 27. We're making it happen. I will say that for a fact, but I definitely think that we're gonna choose to not record a whole lot today, just because mainly I'm just gonna celebrate in private. I also am not gonna have a ton of automotive stuff going on today, so that's the whole real thing that's going on here with the vlog. So chat later. Real quick, before we jump into either later tonight or tomorrow, Friday, I am undecided on whether I'm going to continue to record throughout the day, but in the meantime,
Many hours later.
before it's too late in the evening, I am gonna introduce the two classics we got here right now, because in New England, the sun goes down pretty early. Got 1983, I believe, Cadillac Eldorado with 89,000 miles on it. Things in great shape, honestly. But that's not the main attraction. The real main attraction, my grandfather's 1946 F100 that he custom sculpted into a fenderless street rod, utilizing the original 46 frame, original 46 cab, and a couple other miscellaneous parts. And then I believe we got like a 30s Model A radiator up front with a couple of other OEM parts from other models and years that he kind of sandwiched together. And I will say this thing is friggin' pimpin'. Got the fuzzy die. He had it all tricked out with autometer gauges. Munson 4-speed manual transmission. QA14 link suspension back there. I believe 4.9 inch. Unsure of the ratio. I'll count the drive shaft eventually. Short tube headers. Straight pipe all the way to the good old side dump. Definitely will give this thing more of a spotlight when it's not November, turning into winter, and cold as hell outside. But yeah, she pretty. Last but not least, the 05 GTO 6-liter LS2. Got an Elgin 1840 P cam, Pack 1218 springs, T56 6-speed with a monster clutch, 1-piece drive shaft, and we'll also give you more of a spotlight another day too.
We all in.
One eternity later.
Day 5 of the marathon, and we're alive. And unfortunately, I think this is going to be the last day of it, because I woke up this morning and I felt sick. And no, it wasn't because of drinking. One thing is for sure, though, we are going to go out with a bang. He did get the PCM, and this is going to be the first start. Come on. There it is. So mad. We got a solid RPM. Oh, if it would have stayed, we would have been good. She definitely runs a little angry still, but it's all right, because we're seeing changes. It's just helping the diagnosis process, right? And that's going to be it for right now, boys and girls. But I wanted to thank everybody who's been encouraging me to do this shit, because it's honestly been a lot of fun, not only recording, editing, just doing my day-to-day stuff and just getting to show you guys. So that's going to conclude that, because I thought I was going to be able to record throughout the weekend, but as you can tell with my voice, it's not going to happen. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.
If we locked in, ain't no switching up. Brody came home, went to pick him up. Nigga killed my mans.